Are you a replacement queen? You are a function queen? I'm sick. Help me replace a function at Nilai. I'm available. Your name not on the board. Today's singer is you. Can you help me replace Joventure later at 8:30 p.m.? Singer sick. OT will pay you extra. Why you find me? I saw your Facebook posts and photos for performance. Today 2 a.m. I need to go back. Tips I don't want job. Told you, you fixed every Thursday. Why August first week absent? I have to find nearby Puchong Singer camp. Why you no remind me? Do I need to rush here now? I'm naked face. No need already then. I'll call her. Bye.